Hi friends, today we are discussing new chapter Principles of Metallurgy in very easy shortcut method. You can score easily marks. In this topics covered are extraction of metals from ores, 3 stages, thermite reaction and uses, corrosion examples and activity, and last prevention of corrosion. Last topic, definition of calcination, roasting and smelting. Extraction of metals from the ore in 3 stages. This is the first topic. In this 3 stages are there. One is concentration or dressing. Second one, extraction of crude metal. Third one, refining or purification of the metal. To remember these 3 stages easily, keep in mind core word you have to keep in mind. Generally from ore we get metal. So ore I am changing core, adding C to the ore. So it changed as core. Only C I am added. By adding this you can easily write 3 stages of extraction of metals from the ore. C from core, CO means concentration, R means refining, E means extraction of the crude metal. Now discussion on concentration of the ore. In this use main 4 methods. To remember that 4 methods, concentrate on work from home. This sentence if you remember, you will write easily these 4 methods. Concentrate on work from home. Work from home you have to remember. In corona time this sentence is suitable for ours. In work from home, first word work, in that first letter W denotes washing. F from word letter F denotes fourth flotation. Home, H denotes hand picking. M denotes magnetic separation. Total 4 methods mainly used in concentration of the ore are washing, fourth flotation, hand picking and last magnetic separation. Next move to second stage, extraction of the crude metal. It depends upon the reactivity of the metal. It has 3 activity series. One is top, second one middle, third bottom of the activity series. In this second stage, thermite reaction is important. To know easily follow, you can write thermite reaction easily. Now thermite reaction is highly exothermal reaction. It means it gives high heat energy. So I am taking thermite as exothermal. Thermite means exothermal. Basically this thermite word also gave name because it gives high energy. So exothermal, thermite. In exothermal I am taking R. In exothermal, THERMAL, R letter gives reaction of M letter gives metal oxide and Al gives aluminium. So reaction of metal oxide with aluminium is called thermite reaction. This is a definition of the thermite reaction. So for example, Fe2O3 plus 2Al gives rise to Al2O3 plus 2Fe plus heat, high heat. Uses of this thermite reaction is important. You can write easily thermite from thermite word itself. In name only, R denotes railway tracks joining, M denotes machine parts joining which are cracked. Third stage is purification of the crude metal or refining. What are the purification methods in R? There are 4 mainly methods used in purification. We can learn by word purify deeply. Purify deeply. Deeply word gives that 4 methods. If you observe slide, you can understand easily. D gives distillation, E for electrolytic refining, P for poling, L for liquefaction. Now move to next topic, corrosion. Example of corrosion are rusting iron, silver tarnishing, green color coating on copper. These are examples of corrosion. From slide you can remember easily. Now, how to prevent corrosion? So, prevention of corrosion, prevention, in that only we get 2 answers. One is P, prevention P, first letter P, P for painting, P for plating, electroplating. What is painting? Painting means covering the surface with paint. What is electroplating? Cover the surface by other metals is called electroplating. Example, zinc we used in electroplating. Now, if you take one activity on corrosion, in this slide, how to write easily activity by diagram, I will explain. Take 3 test tubes and names are ABC. If you observe in diagram, there are 2 things in common in test tube. One is air, second one is nails. Okay. Now if you take what are the materials used in other materials used in ABC test tube? If you take A, air is common. Second one is water. If you take test tube B, B for boiled distilled water and oil, air is common. And last, test tube C, if you take air is common, C for calcium chloride anhydrous. So C for calcium chloride, B for boiled distilled water, A for air. You can remember in this way, you can write without confusion in exams. So, from after completion of the activity, you can understand easily that in a test tube, the nails exposed to both air and water, so they are rusted. Now discuss three important processes in metallurgy are: first one smelting, second one roasting, and last calcination. Now we learn about smelting. Smelting is a pyrochemical process. Flux and fuel mixed with metal, strongly heating the ore forms gangue. Metal obtained in molten state. These are the points in smelting process. To remember these points easily, if you observe slide, you can understand easily in that smelting word itself. M for mixed with flux and fuel. M, metal melts and give molten state, and impurities we call gangue. Last G, in this smelting process gangue is formed. Next, move to second point, roasting. Roasting, you can write roasting easily by word roast. Roasting I am taking as a roast. Roast means R. I am taking as a word spelling presence. Presence of, after R, O is there, presence of oxygen. After O, A is there, presence of oxygen or air. ST means strongly heating the ore is called roasting. Presence of oxygen or air strongly heating the ore is called roasting. You can learn in this way easily anytime. If you write roast, you can write roast definition easily. Now move to other, calcination. Same as roasting, but small difference in calcination is in that roasting presence of oxygen or air, but here we have to take absence of oxygen or air. Absence of oxygen or air strongly heating the ore is called calcination. Here in calcination, carbonates converts into oxides. Here calcination, carbonates convert into oxides. So in this way you can easily remember topic. If you get multiple choice questions, you can write easily by in this way. At last, this chapter is important for diagrams. So practice fourth flotation diagram and magnetic separation, and last reverberatory furnace. If you practice these three diagrams, you can get more marks from this chapter. Thank you.